In previous videos, all the metrics we saw were automatically provided by Spring Boot. Things like JVM memory, CPU usage, and HTTP request statistics come out of the box. But in real projects, teams often want to track business specific information. For example, how many orders were placed, how many users registered, how many payments failed, how many times a particular API was called. And these are not standard JVM metrics. So let's create our own custom metric. Here I am injecting MeterRegistry. You can think of MeterRegistry as the central place where all metrics are stored and managed. Whenever we create a new metric, we register it with the MeterRegistry. I have created a counter metric that moves in only one direction, upward, and currently pointing to custom.api.calls in MeterRegistry. It counts how many times something happened. In our case, we are counting how many times this API is called. The name of our metric is custom.api.calls. When this application runs, Spring Boot will expose this metric automatically through the Actuator endpoint. Increment method here, it increases the counter value by 1. So every time this method executes, our metric count increases. If this method runs 10 times, the metric value becomes 10. If it runs 100 times, the metric value becomes 100. Now we need to connect this metric with our application logic. So I am injecting the custom metrics class into the controller. This gives the controller access to our counter. In constructor, Spring automatically provides an instance of our custom metrics component, so we can use it anywhere in the application. Metrics.increment line is important here because every time someone calls the hello endpoint, we increment the counter. So every API request gets recorded. Imagine this is not a demo application. Suppose this endpoint creates an order. Then instead of counting API calls, we could count successful orders. Or imagine this endpoint processes payments. We could count successful payments and failed payments separately. This is exactly how business metrics are created in real systems. Thank you.